A equal to 3 minus 1 2 minus 6 2 4 minus 3 1 2. So this is the matrix. You need to find the rank of matrix. What we are going to do this one? First one is you need to find the determinant of 3 by 3. A equal to 3 minus 1 2 minus 6 2 4 minus 3 1 2. So now you know the determinant of 3 into minor of this one 2 4 1 2, yeah, and minus into minus 1. The minor of this element is minus 6 4 minus 3 2 and plus 2 into minor of this element. So first row, third column we are eliminating. Minus 6 2 minus 3 1. Now simplify this, you will get the 3 into 4 minus 4 plus 1 into minus 12 plus 12 minus into minus 12. Ikkada kuda minus and plus 2 into minus 6 plus 6. So what is the value? 4 minus 4 minus 12 plus 12 minus 6 plus 6. The value is 0. Now what is the rank here? Rank is 3 or not? Huh? Yeah, yes. Rank is, the determinant is 0. Rank is less than 3. So now you need to go for the other determinants. 2 by 2. So first 2 by 2 I am taking this 3 minus 1 minus 6 2. Now find the determinant of this. 6 minus 6 0. Yeah. 6 minus 6 0. Next one is these 2 is over. Next take the another one. 3 2 minus 6 4. So 3 into 12 minus 12 plus 12. Sorry. Minus 12 minus 24, which is not equal to 0. So now the rank is, order of this minor is 2 by 2. Rank is 2. Rank of A equal to 2. Girls, listen here. See this. So this determinant is 0. And this is also 0. This is also 0. This is also 0. You have 9 2 by 2 matrices. In this one, many are zeros. So now we are taking this. Next, take this minus 1 2 2 4. This is non-zero. Minus 4 non-zero. But you are taking this 2 4 1 2 0. Minus 6 4 minus 3 2 0. Minus 6 2 minus 3 1. So 4 or 5 2 by 2 minus are 0. But the rank is 2. Enduko, what we are saying that? What we are saying? The rank of the matrix is 2. Then we need at least one minor. So here we got the one minor, non-zero. So therefore rank is 2. 2. And second condition is if r plus 1. R plus 1 అంటే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 2 plus 1 3. 3 by 3 matrix determinant is 0. Yeah, tell me. Girl, somebody is unmuted and talking something. Yeah. So therefore, the rank of matrix is 2. So note down this one. Write the another matrix. Find the rank of matrix. 2 minus 1 3 1. 1 4 minus 2 1. 5 2 4 3. Find the rank of matrix A equal to 2 minus 1 3 1. 1 4 minus 2 1. 5 2 4 3. So this you need to find this one. The what is the order here? 3 by 4. Yeah. Now first you can take the highest possible squares of matrix. మనకి ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ highest possible squares of matrix 3 by 3 వస్తుంది. So now I am taking this first determinant A1, first 3 columns 2 minus 1 3 4 yeah 5 2 4. So now find the determinant of this one. So 2 into 4 minus 4 sorry 4 into 4 sorry 4 into 4 16. 2 into 2 4 4 ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ మైనస్ వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ప్లస్ మైనస్ into minus 1 1 into 4 4 minus 10 so that is plus 10 ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి మైనస్ into మైనస్ ప్లస్ 3 into 1 into 2 is 2 20. So now simplify this. 16 plus 4 20. 20 into 2 40. 14 plus minus into minus plus. So plus 14 and minus 54 equal to 0. Now one determinant is 0. You have a 3 determinants, 4 determinants. So now take the A2. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దాం we are eliminating the last row column in the first matrix. Now I am eliminating the third column. 2 minus 1 1 1 4 1 5 2 3. So now find the again determinants. 2 into 4 into 3 12 minus 2 minus into minus plus 1 3 minus 5 plus 1 into 2 minus 20 20 minus 5 plus minus 2 minus. So again it is also 0. We have another 2 possibilities. A3 equal to we are eliminating the first last column, third column also. Now we need to do this of first column, second column. 2, 3, 1, 1 minus 2, 1, 5, 4, 3. So 2 into minus 6 minus 4 plus minus 3 into 3 minus 5 and plus 1 into 4 plus 10. So minus 10 minus 20 minus into minus plus 6 plus 14 equal to 0. So note down first this one. What happens? You have taken the 3 by 3 determinants. Even you have a possibility another one. So first time you are eliminating the first column. Second one is second column. Sorry. First one is last column. Second one is third column. And third one is second column. Now we are eliminating the first column. A4 equal to minus 1, 3, 4, minus 2, 1, 2, 4, 3. Now find the determinant. Minus 1 into minus 6 minus 4 and minus 3 into 12 minus 2. Yeah, plus 1 into 16 plus 4 minus 4 out of the 16 plus 4. So minus 10 10 into 3 minus 30 plus 20. So equal to minus 20, which is plus 10. Yeah. So this is also 0. Now the rank should be less than 3. Why? You have taken all possible minus. 4 minus. You will get the 4 possible minus. We have checked the all 4 minus. All 4 minus are equal to 0. Now what you want to this one? You will go for the next level. Next lower level. So 2 by 2. I am taking the first 2 column. 2 minus 1, 1, 4 equal to 8 plus 1, 9, which is not equal to 0. Therefore, the rank of matrix is 2. So this is the procedure to find the rank of matrix. So what we want to do this one? You need to find the determinants until you get the not equal to 0. Where you are getting the not equal to 0, then find the order. That order itself is a rank of matrix. See this? This is some disadvantage in this procedure to find the rank of matrix using determinants. There is a disadvantage. Why? Suppose you are taking one 5 by 5 matrix and the rank will be 3. Then what happens? First you need to find the determinant of 5 by 5. Is it possible? No, not no, it is possible. No. It is possible. Determinant of 5 by 5 is also possible, but it takes a long time. Suppose you have a 5 by 5 matrix, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 1, some 3, and some elements like this. Now what we have to do is 1 into this 4 by 4 matrix, minus 1 into another 4 by 4 matrix. Now reduce it to the 3 by 3 like that. Huh? So it takes a long time. Even you are find no, then what happens? Suppose this rank is 3, determinant is 0. Then you go for the 4 by 4. What happens? You will get the 25 4 by 4 matrices. To find the determinants of 25 4 by 4 matrix, it is take another 1 to 2 hours. Then you need to come to the 3 by 3 matrix. It is a lengthy process. Huh? We have a possibility to find the determinant, but it is a lengthy process. So for that, we are not using this conventional method. By what we have to do this one, to find this rank of matrix in any order, we have two methods: echelon form, and second one is normal form. So by reducing given matrices into these two forms, any one of the form, and we will find the rank of matrix. So tomorrow class we will see that one. Myself, I will share the two or three problems in the group. You can solve it and keep it yourself. Tomorrow I will ask. I will ask to show your notes. Okay? Girls. Yeah, you can share. You can show through your phone camera. But I want to notebook only, live notebook. Yeah. Thank you. So today class is over. Next madam will take in class. Madam will take the class. So from Monday onwards, your chemistry class also run. Okay, ma. Thank you. Just take the 2 to 3 minutes break. Yeah, tell me. Notes are. Yeah. Within 5 minutes, I will share you. No problem. Yeah. Okay, girls. Yeah. Thank you.